Hi, my name's Nathan, and in this video, we're going to talk about automation. We have known automation since the dawn of civilization. The Mayans automated water transportation via aqueducts, saving time and effort. Later, Benjamin Franklin famously restated that time is money, and Henry Ford taught us the mechanical assembly line. Today, we create processes to optimize human support. Automating repetitive tasks such as paying bills, sending emails, and posting to social media allows us to pay attention to higher value tasks. To be able to cope with big data, it has become a necessity for data-driven marketers and agencies to automate tasks intelligently. In this scenario, automating customer relationship management systems, aka CRMs, help organizations provide better support to their clients. This software is cost-effective and user-friendly. Most importantly, the vendor can offer support in case of issues and concerns. The workflow of buying and executing a new CRM software includes testing the product, which ensures suitability. CRM software not only improves sales and marketing, retention and support, but also enables scalability. But a poor choice from among the wide variety of software can lead to wasted efforts in the management of your customers. This is counterproductive to the primary objective, which is to save time, effort, and money. Therefore, it is crucial to carefully choose the right software that fits your needs. Testing the product becomes the golden key in this scenario. Pay close attention to the features and see if it helps ease the workflow of everyday tasks. Automation in marketing, customer management, and really any other field of the company can be a big investment. It is important to assess if the company can work with this software for the next 5 years or more. The software which the company has chosen will need upgrades, front-end and back-end work, so it is important your company likes the feel of the look of the system. Even better than a test drive of the software is employing the demo in silos with your customer representative. Is the customer representative able to work with the software easily? Are the concerns of the customer rep being effectively resolved by the software while also translating the sales and marketing efforts? Involving the team in demo sessions is golden. If the team can use it easily and believe in the capability of the software, then the path to implementation of the software will be smooth and easy. Automation is expensive, but a requisite, even for smaller businesses, so go ahead and jump on that wagon. Let us know in the comments about your experience with employing some of these strategies. Give us a like if you found this useful and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.
Data Science Dojo. Data science for everyone.